hate seeing people waste money on credit repair companies and not get results. So today I'm exposing 5 credit score hacks that banks will never tell you about. In fact, after you apply these, you should see your credit score rise by 50 to 100 points in as little as 30 to 90 days. These are my best tricks to instantly add points to your credit score without paying thousands of dollars. Want proof? Check out how much my scores went up after following these exact strategies. And trust me, you're going to love these. They're simple, effective, and backed by real science. And I'll even show you how to check your credit report for free to track your progress. Well, if you're new here, subscribe so I can keep you out of debt and make you rich. Also, comment down below your biggest financial goal for 2025 and next year. Let us see who can inspire the rest of us. Now, back to those credit score hacks. Hack number 1 is the 10% rule. Think of your credit utilization like your weight on a scale. The lower the number, the healthier you look. So if you have a $1,000 limit, never let the balance show more than $100. If you go over this, it signals to lenders that you can't handle that much responsibility yet. This is like having a Ferrari, but only driving it on Sundays. It shows lenders you have power, but don't abuse it. And I know it's hard to stay low when there's a shiny new item every day on Amazon. But if you avoid going over that 10 mark, you'll see your score go up pretty soon. This is one of the fastest ways to add hundreds of points to your credit score. And just 1 point here, you don't have to pay off your entire bill. Just keep the balance under 10% of your limit. Hack number 2 is the statement date trick. Here is the secret truth. Most people think the due date is what matters for boosting your score. Wrong. It's the statement closing date that reports to the credit bureaus. So even if you always pay your bill in full by the due date, if the statement date isn't right, lenders might think you're irresponsible. Here's a credit card bill. See this date right here? It's the closing date. Once that passes, your balance gets photographed and sent to the credit bureaus. And guess what? You want that picture to look good. The fewer balances shown, the better. So if your due date is May, but your closing date is April, you need to pay down your balance by April, not May. Knowing this one tiny detail alone will help you boost your score faster. Oh, and quick tip. You can find your closing date by logging into your account or calling customer service. Don't miss this. It's like photo day at school. You gotta look good. Hack number 3 is to become an authorized user. Here's a game-changing secret. Your credit score will grow faster if you hitch a ride on someone else's good credit. Yep, that's right. If you have a parent, friend, or family member with a great credit history, ask to become an authorized user on their credit card. It's like attaching your little go-kart to their Ferrari. Suddenly you're speeding down the highway of good credit. How does it work? Credit card companies report the behavior of authorized users to the credit bureaus. So you inherit their history, age of accounts, and on-time payments instantly. Credit repair companies charge hundreds of dollars for this, but you can do it free with someone you trust, but choose wisely. A bad apple can ruin the bunch. If they have late payments or collections, you'll feel the pain too. Now here's a pro tip. If you're helping someone else become an authorized user, use a credit card with a low limit. That way you won't get into trouble if they mess up. Always go karting with a helmet on. Hack number 4 is the credit line increase. Now here's a secret hack. Think of your credit limit like the size of your phone storage. The more space you have, the less likely you are to run out. So when you request a credit line increase, your utilization drops instantly. For example, if you normally use 20% of your $1,000 limit, that's $200. But if the bank raises your limit to $1,200, suddenly you're only using 16%, $160. Less usage equals higher score. And banks love rewarding good behavior. You've been responsible for 60 to 90 days. Log into your app and hit Request Credit Increase. Even a 500 bump can give you a big boost. But remember, don't bite the hand that feeds you. Only ask for more if you're already maxing out your current limit. Hack number 5 is the small bill strategy. Now I know it's tempting to tackle credit card debt head on, but here's a lazy genius move. Take one small subscription, Netflix, Spotify, Apple Music, and put it on your credit card. Then set up autopay in full every month. When you log in each month, it'll say you've paid your bill. But really it's a fully automated system, so you won't ever risk missing a payment. It's like cruise control on a highway. You'll build payment history without ever needing to think about it. That's 35% of your score. And here's the cherry on top. You're also building credit on a small amount. So lenders will see you're trustworthy even when you're just starting out. It's like training wheels for your credit. Before you know it, you'll be handling big bills like a boss. And here's a pro tip. Use a card with rewards. This way you're getting cash back or points on everyday purchases. It's like getting paid to pay. And if you're still watching, I've got an extra bonus hack for you. Watch this. Hack number 6 is the credit mix. Now, credit bureaus love to see variety. It's like eating a balanced diet, not just pizza every day. So instead of all credit cards, try adding a secured card, store card, or credit builder loan. They're easier to qualify for and give you a nice mix of payment types. That signals to lenders you're responsible across the board. And while you're at it, use free apps like Credit Karma or Experian to monitor your score. These use soft pulls, meaning they won't hurt your credit. Think of it like stepping on a bathroom scale. You're just checking progress, not getting judged. Checking your credit report regularly can save you from identity theft too, and banks offer this for free. So let's recap. Hack 1. Keep balances under 10%. Hack 2. Pay before the statement date. Hack 3. Hitch a ride as an authorized user. Hack 4. Ask for a credit line increase. Hack 5. Automate small bills. And Hack 6. Mix it up with other credit types. Use these for 90 days and I promise you'll see your score climb like crazy. If you want to skip the next decade of financial struggle, smash that subscribe button and join our movement of 1 million cash. Comment below your target credit score for this year, and I'll personally reply to some of you with bonus tips. Trust me, this knowledge could be worth tens of thousands of dollars. Don't miss out. Also, check out this video on how to save $2,000 a month, or this one on how to invest. Make sure to watch those now. See you soon.